yare no sesa na eba yewu hey sa yare ebe ko sebi o kanyansa you don't have to shout for people to come and listen to nyansa the otie na nyansa wo ma ono nso wa adwene obehu se nyansa na wo ka no you don't call people's attention say me kanyansa no that means it's fake adia asama enya no kore eye ntro no eno ana yede ntam bata ho me hey me wait me donya me can say that means we know say enya no kore you may be caught and then as okay can some be training nipa na so obetena se say yenim akufo adonua bia nti woye kromfo a ba cho wa mo hwe munim kataje every nua bi and you so ye kromfo we free nyansa mu na bae na so onye obi no ono de obetena ho a look at how the NDC has been able to market Kevin Taylor because odidi atem. Look at how they have branded Sami Jamfi because odidi atem. Omo de eno no munim ye. So bana obey Kenyansa or party ma they will sack you. One typical example, me say Tete Chang. Oma pamono because the man was speaking the truth. Omo so u Kenyansa omo so ni Akufo-Addo akoto kese. They say wako dwani MPP. Then they will sack you. They will sack you. Okwa dabuase a enie esi ho dabuase wudo odu dabuase a wo so wo hwehwe oil factory na Akufo-Addo besi ye no dabuase epacho enie dabuase palm oil processing factory udru ho no ma enie from zero Akufo-Addo built this from scratch and this factory is harboring about 1,005 workers. And the nipa 1,005 for mutifie, etna fie sign this time no, and no mu ye aduma. Who ye aduma? What's how makoya ma NDC that down? Mini anaden. And this political party no, why na twan tro so me ba one district one factory. Omu hu sa de na ye no, ani oboa no mti radio so because during their era omunim so ye co-opposition e ntro na ye de beba nti mum yem bia FM stations bebre and to look at how the NDC has been able to market itself to the ordinary Ghanaian say omo ka sama sesi ana agentre he this is because FM stations wo Ghana dodo na omo edia and omo de sika awuram ama afuru bohwe journalist and omo so ntro na wo trase na wo pe wo man na wo tie de ekoso wo Ghana na wo hwe obi ti se katachi afufa betrase okasa no atie mu ye ni sebi moa enantwie na num nsuo ba ko yet obekwa akosa no na akojuna akoto aba e de ama Haruna Idrisu because wo ye Haruna Idrisu enti se mewu na ha be sei kra mfa me ho. Is that why we vote? And the people of Keta, me say 2024, Musa to my about the man NDC there. I will come back and tell you who you are. For now, let me be gentle and say, Mabana moto no nyansenim. People of Keta, because in Omampenyi Kufo ne baye. Satam na NDC atena for over 20 years. Omampenyi Kufo ne ban was there be. Even though these people are anti-MPP. But when I'm a president for all. And the Mamiko Sikita see defense, Emma woman and Suono, and Ponam fa woman. He did his best. MPP lost election 2-8. Every 2-8, Ebepim Semeka say, now we are in Swam of home. Keta. See, the waves number form. And these are better than 8 years. Omo ba ye see defense akofo no de wa ye ne de no wa hyase omo antimi anto aso yet omo de akọ parliament akwaji hu sika di and so you get the people of Keta kill ahomache say ekoto aba koto a no akoto am NDC na battle wo di nyansa na eto aba anasa wo de okoto ne keke. People of Keta, wake up. Me say I'm going to hate constituency by constituency or china there me ba double salary so. But me bo constituency by constituency. I don't care. Say MPP kura say they are not doing well there. Monsisam because ye Nana Dubai was no these people also deserve better. Even though they are anti-MPP, the MPP as a political party believes Yet to about we are, there's no politics. All is about governance. Inti ya to about we more pemas ya to we it won't trade now development mummy and chani pepe. Now case say enye MPP and kita this developmental ideas ni philosophy and can some part of Ghana sebi and can now can a what titia pansam. Now yambe yet interchanger. You have these parliamentarians from this same side. Come tell us, we can interchange. Now interchange required goes through about insulting the indigenous people there. Hello. Insulting the indigenous people there. So omudi sebi omwe Jimmy omuni nyansa. Say yes, interchange no money congratulate the government, you know. You sit in parliament because we are fools and voted for you ignorantly, and you went into parliament. Forget about us. Tamale Central, Moniketa, me womoso. Sebi sa batu huna, moswara no ma to line akotono. Se mo nyai, na se mo sa be yoma no kati. Now you have NDC to tell MPP say budget in yebeja tuma fa iketa. Say NDC will position the fighting good for you there. Why then bring them into power? Because although what power and NDC got power and for good 8 years, he never cared about you, people of Keita. He never cared. Now, about opposition, you know, or China say they care. Fine. Good. And yet it's idea. Why don't you keep them in opposition so they continue to care? In any case, say the incumbent government in Ohana Obuamo. Na so mo be show care. Na mo nya double. But mo dia mo say incumbent government MPP na wo ho a mo nko that nothing a voter region MPP ba pe na ye beti e ho the nothing with them votarian hwan na mo sorry NDC ba ya no makoda. Most time 2008 to 2016, we never heard of them say tie ho. Ekufado baya MPP baya. What's on ye beti e ho. Edisa okosa like kotoa ba no amfa nyansan kotoa ba. Open mind ye and I say open mind nim guase. Me bisa. Oto aba because ese so oto aba ma obia se bi kokohwe kwa bia na hwe odu amabo a kire wo. A political party abako emu nipa bitimi ka say me I love my country so well. I'm so much patriotic. I'm so much I'm more of a philanthropist than ordinary Ghanaian. And I work as a minister for Ghana. Me nyesempoa me nyiteku Akufo-Addo did it. Ken Ofori-Atta is doing it. Akufo-Addo wa so o man ni even to date ne ka watimu no enya aban sika ono ankasa ne personal money. Akufo-Addo ka watimu sesi ya en okwa no ordinary de kwa anya aban dia ono ase da bi mabobra no sika di me beso ye Ghana timi de me ka beba even was no opposition or Ghana 4x4 because Admirals buy you know omukwachi Akufo-Addo nama omukwachi Akufo-Addo yinisi form send the car ho yen sensem just to